we got a package. Samsung has once again improved the Z Flip with the Z Flip 4. As cool as this phone is, I'm not a huge fan due to the durability issues. This phone just cannot withstand the same amount of damage that other phones can, or so I think. We're gonna open this up, get some first impressions, and tear this phone down. So it comes with a clear slim cover, which is actually nice of Samsung to offer, just because this phone is less durable than other phones. And here is the box. We also have this coupon code, which you guys can use because I'm not going to. Not sure if I'm a fan of the different colored letters, but yeah, it's not bad. And in the box we have the charger and SIM ejector pin. Now that we have the unboxing out of the way, we'll turn on our Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. Is it dead? Oh, no, it's not. First impressions, the phone actually feels really stable in my hands. It's not as easy to open and close it as I would think. The screen though feels like it can be damaged with just my nail, and that my nail just did. Never mind, that was the screen protector. I'm scared to take off any screen protectors with this phone because we all know how that goes. Yeah, no, I literally just scratched the screen with just my nail. It's really hard to see on camera, but there are visible scratches on the screen from just scratching it with my nail. The test so far is not looking that great. That's great. Thanks, Samsung. For a $1,000 phone, it just sucks that my nail can literally damage the screen. Well, I guess that's that. Let's get this thing open. Cook the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. I'm really hoping I don't break this because that would be quite the expensive mistake. The Z Flip's done cooking. Now it's time to open this up. We'll stick our Jimmy tool in, and then we'll stick a plastic prying card. So there's definitely a connector in here somewhere for this display here. So we want to be careful not to pry too deep. Really hope we're not breaking anything right now. Open it up. So the display connector is right here. We're gonna remove that so it doesn't get in our way. Take off this little white piece and disconnect. Now we can remove the back glass. Cool. And that is our Samsung Galaxy Z Flip on the inside. So first impression, it really doesn't look that much different from last year's model. I haven't seen one in person, but I've seen videos and they look relatively the same. The hinge, on the other hand, definitely looks a little bit different. They've definitely made modifications to it, hence why it's smaller this year. Let's tear the Z Flip down a little more and see what other gems are hidden inside. Over here, we have our 12 megapixel ultra wide camera with no optical image stabilization. Here we have the 12 megapixel wide camera with OIS. Over here, we have the phone's ball sack. These are sound dampening balls, which make the speakers sound bigger than what they actually are. Unscrew. The issue with repairing Samsung Z Flips is that there's so many magnets. Every time I try and get the screw, my screwdriver gets magnetized by the magnet. Disrespectful, Z Flip. Move the wireless charger. Stop! Are you subscribed? Leave a like, subscribe, hit that bell button. This video cost me my bank account. We have all the covers removed, and there's some interesting gooey stuff here. That's obviously to keep dust and water out. We'll remove what's left and see if we find anything interesting. Now we can remove the board, and there it is. So this is actually the board of the first Z Flip. You can tell things have come a long way since then. This board actually did have a hydrophobic coating, which you can see by that rainbow looking pattern, but the new boards don't seem to have that anymore. So it seems like Samsung has got this under control and water will not actually get in the device at all. Versus with the Flip 1, they thought that that might happen, so they put this just in case. I'm kind of mad that it's not there because it looks really pretty. Now we're gonna remove the battery. We have to use isopropyl alcohol because Samsung did not provide pull tabs, which I personally don't have a problem with, but a lot of people do. This has to be one of the cutest batteries I've ever seen in my life. I never thought I'd be calling a battery cute, but you can't tell me this isn't cute. So this battery is 1070 milliamp hours. No! So I just broke the phone's front camera. RIP to the boy. No comment. Actually, never happened. We'll remove the second battery, also with isopropyl alcohol. That's quite strange. This flex cable has 3 layers to it. I've never honestly seen that before in a phone. I wonder why they did that. The only things left are the vibration motor, the front earpiece speaker, and the 5G antenna. To the left, I have the first generation Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, and you can see the improvements with the hinge. It's so much smaller than the first generation, and it's just a little bit smaller than the last generation. The Z Flip has really come a long way, but these minor improvements just aren't enough. The screen is way too fragile. The improvements with the smaller hinge are greatly appreciated, but the screen is what we use, and we can't have that scratching with just our nails. Samsung, I'm gonna go find another camera. It'll probably take me a few months. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe, hit that bell button. If anyone has a camera, send me the front camera of their Z Flip. And yeah, peace.